Welcome to Macronutrients Made Simple, the why, how, and what of macronutrients for optimal health. My name is Alicia Jones, and in this video, I'm going to teach you that, the why, how, and what of macronutrients for optimal health so that you can create that too. First, why macronutrients? Well, they're the building blocks of health. Think Legos, just like a child who's building a Lego tower needs to have a solid foundation. Macros are the solid foundation of optimal health. If you want to be healthy from the inside out, feel amazing about what you're putting in your body, and help your family to get the nutrition that they need in a simple way, macros are for you, my friend. Next, the how. How do macronutrients help with optimal health? Well, protein. Let me give you some hand motions here. Protein builds the muscle and helps you feel full. If you've ever had a meal and then been hungry about an hour later, you know what that's like to not have enough protein. Okay, next, carbohydrates gives us energy. If you've ever reached for a quick glass of juice or a muffin or even the kids' leftover toast, and then a little bit later you get the jitters from a sugar high, you know what that's like to have too much energy from carbohydrates. Okay, lastly, healthy fats. This is fun. It's a little one. It keeps us full. It's great for nutrient absorption in the gut and also hair, skin, and nail health. So now that we know the why they help, the how they help, let's see what they are in real life. What do they look like in real life? So protein, we've got meat, beans, eggs, tofu, vegan protein powder. Those are some choices. Next, carbohydrates. We got rice, bread, pasta, but also fruit and veggies, okay? And lastly, healthy fats, olives, avocados, flaxseed, nut butter. Now that you know what these are, your next step is to learn how to balance them. Balancing macronutrients for optimal health. For a simple resource for you to get started balancing macros in everyday life, I created a simple, done for you macronutrient balanced snack list that you can download by going to the website link in the description of this video right now. So remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.